The need was an alternative to a 1031 exchange that didn't force people to be over leveraged, under diversified, and not a lot of liquidity.
With that, such a niched kind of approach to tax consultation and really crafting a plan for people to execute some of these milestones in a way that you really kind of have one shot at. It's a very crucial intersections of people's business and success. How did you get into that?
Great question. Well, we kind of, I'd say, stumbled upon a need and really clarified what our clients wanted the ideal outcome to be. And this started in 2006. I was at Marcus and Millichap helping people buy and sell multifamily investment properties as a broker. And we would help people do 1031 exchanges, and things were going well for a while. Then all of a sudden, everything came to a crashing halt, essentially end of 07, 08. And then I saw clients, friends, and family lose half or everything in the next, 3 years. And a lot of it in multifamily investment real estate or commercial assets. And so we discovered that the need was an alternative to a 1031 exchange that didn't force people to be over leveraged, under diversified, and not a lot of liquidity, buying deals that didn't make a lot of sense for them, letting the tax tail wag the investment dog, and or selling a business, a primary home, crypto, or other assets that now today, right, you're with crypto, but where it was at least from a year ago, and not having a 1031 option, right? And so we discovered that need. We clarified that the ideal outcome for our clients was to buy when it made sense for them, to pay off debt when they wanted to unlock location, time, and energy freedom, to diversify out of a business into investment real estate, diversify out of stock into investment real estate, a primary home. And as we understood that the pain didn't have to be what it was, that they could sell high, buy low, we essentially said we've got to fill this role because most people don't understand how to do this, right? And we thought we were the Navy SEALs of investment real estate. We thought 1031 exchanges was the end all be all. Swap until you drop, get the stepped up basis, all of those things we've been taught. And by the way, we still love the 1031. We still help people do that. It's just not the primary mode of vehicle right now when you want flexibility, diversification, and some liquidity. And so fast forward after, this was like 2009, in the middle of it, I learned about this thing called a Deferred Sales Trust. And we said, this sounds too good to be true. And I'm at Marcus and Millichap at the time. A lot of our agents were sitting in that office going, wow, well, if that's real, that's pretty cool. But guess what? The market's crashed right now. Not a lot of people have a lot of gains. It's just the opposite. And so I don't know if you've ever heard like the prophet's not accepted in his hometown. That became my story for years. I would cold call people being like, guys, I think I've got the solution for you. And they're like, aren't you just a broker? Aren't you just a multifamily guy? Are you a CPA? Like, call me maybe in a couple of years when things are back up. But slowly, as I began to learn more and more about the deferred sales, what it could do, that opened up possibilities to explore with CPAs, with tax attorneys, with ultra high net worth individuals, billionaires, millionaires, mostly multifamily people. And then then it became more and more popular. I started to close more and more deals. Fast forward, we launched the company and we just went all in and said, you know what, we could take this and we could scale it across the country. It could really help a lot of people. And here we are today. And we're talking.